Well guys, we have the truck up on jack stands and we're about to get underneath it. We are going to be doing our steering gear and the arm as well. Assortment of tools that you may or may not need. I got my impact, just it makes it a whole lot easier. Yeah, today Helleanore gets a new steering gear. Alright guys, so we're underneath the truck and this is our steering gear. Here's our pitman arm. What we need to do first though is disconnect the steering shaft, which is just a 13mm bolt. Probably can't see it, but 13mm bolt right up in here. There's this cup that protects it from the belt and hoses and all that. So 13mm. Sorry I didn't let you in on all the fun. I had to use that guy, my press. After cutting it off, we're free now. If I can get that off. Woo, what a pain in the butt. Alright, I'm gonna get on here and show you what all I had to do to get the job done. So, steering shaft is now attached. I took that off, took that off, took that off, took everything to this bar off, took this to the press, pressed out what was left of the pitman arm bolt, put everything back in, put that back in, put that back in, put that back in, put that back in. And now our lines are attached and we are going to put fluid in it and hope that it doesn't leak. Please don't leak. that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope some of this was educational.